Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Aston Martin of Boston, as well as Cadillac of Norwood, we have the 2018 Aston Martin DB11 V8. Driven 2 or 3 of the V12 DB11s, only one V8, so I'm like, might as well change that. But also, the spec on this example is absolutely amazing. Not sure how that works, but okay. Wow. So, features the same exact V8 that is found in the Vantage. Joseph. Thanks, Joseph Rush. Did the final inspection on this example. See if it has a soft close bonnet. It does. DB11 on the kick plate, but check this out. Blue contrast stitching, and that stitching is everywhere. Even have it here on the sun visor. Oh. Make sure it's in sport mode. Sport Plus. Neat. Also, they might be blue, I don't know. No, I think they're black. They looked blue for a second. Stay. Do have back seats. Oh, man. Can I just say I'm in love with this car? Even after driving the DBS, DB11 is still phenomenal. I'm an Aston fan, always have been. Ben. Even just cruising around, I have the suspension in GT mode. I can go ahead and put it into Sport Plus for us, but it's just a bit more comfortable to keep it in GT mode. Eight-speed torque converter automatic fits the character of this car very, very well. Even just driving around in it, I'm in love. And then even when you sit there and nail it, it'll bang shift no issue. And it does that. Someone made an oopsies. You know, we did have this intersection good for 4 hours until somebody had to, you know, mess it up. That's why you can never have nice things, folks. Yeah. No, it really is amazing. I get to drive stuff like this all the time. A year ago, if you were to tell me I would do this for a living, I would have laughed in your face. I really am in love with this thing. And honestly, you don't need the V12. I would still, at this level, I would still buy the V12. Just because V12. But the V8, I noticed in handling, the front end on this is a lot lighter. You're missing 4 cylinders there. And it just is a little bit more nimble. Power delivery on this is a little bit less scary than the V12. Those V12s have a ton of power, whereas this one, it's a good amount of power, don't get me wrong, but it's not blow your socks off fast like the DBS is. Although I say that, and I couldn't get grip in second. So, I probably should just shut up and let the car do the talking. It's like an orchestra. Got a percussion section back there. I do love the heat extractors on the hood. You can just kind of see, especially like if you were to drive one of these on a drive-through or something like that, once it gets a little bit warmer, you'll see just the heat rising up out of them. Oh, it looks so cool. That's what I mean by nimble. That is impressive. Not an Evora, don't get me wrong here, but it is impressive nonetheless. The V8 just feels a little bit more sporty. Now, the V8 is found in the Vantage and the DB11, DBX, now that I think about it. But the Vantage is designed to be a sports car, so the power delivery is very, very sports car-esque. So, when you put that motor in here and reduce the weight, it changes the overall feel of the DB11. It's still a grand touring car, still very, very comfortable, but it has definitely some sports car and supercar hiding underneath these nice leather seats. And even when you put it in GT mode, you just cruise. It's not crazy, it's not beating you up. It's just comfortable. It's like a Mercedes. It's like a big, comfy Mercedes SL. It's only when you really want it to be something special, and then once you look at it, too, look at the interior, exterior, everything, you'd be like, okay, yeah, I am in something better than anything else on this planet. I've done that. It's scary. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. No!